Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs. A good deal. Features also include stability control, power seat dual, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love the 2019 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.